In this segment, we're diving into the delightful world of hot honey drumsticks, a dish that perfectly marries sweet and spicy flavors. Viewers can expect to learn how to create this mouth-watering recipe that elevates the humble chicken drumstick into a culinary masterpiece. The unique flavor profile of hot honey drumsticks combines the rich, savory taste of perfectly cooked chicken with the irresistible sweetness of honey and a kick of heat from spices, making each bite a tantalizing experience. Chicken drumsticks are not only popular for their juicy texture and robust flavor, but they also offer incredible versatility in the kitchen, allowing for various cooking methods and flavor combinations. Whether you're grilling, baking, or frying, drumsticks can adapt to any style. This cooking session promises to be fun and engaging, encouraging viewers to unleash their creativity while preparing this delicious dish. So, get ready to roll up your sleeves and embark on a flavorful journey that will impress your family and friends. As we begin the initial preparation of our chicken drumsticks, it's essential to emphasize the importance of using a zip-top bag for marinating. This method not only allows for even distribution of flavors, but also makes cleanup a breeze. Now, let's clarify the difference between drumsticks and chicken legs. While the term chicken legs often refers to the entire leg portion, drumsticks specifically refer to the lower part of the leg, which is tender and packed with flavor. Now let's detail the process of making the hot honey marinade that will elevate our chicken drumsticks. To create this flavorful blend, you'll need a few key ingredients. Honey fresh garlic apple cider vinegar, a selection of peppers such as jalapenos or cayenne for heat, and a pinch of salt. Start by gathering these ingredients as they will come together to create a deliciously balanced marinade. The method involves blending the fresh ingredients until smooth, which ensures that the flavors meld beautifully. You can use a blender or food processor for this step, making it quick and easy. As you blend, you'll notice the sweet aroma of honey combining with the spicy notes from the peppers, creating a perfect harmony of flavors. This balance of sweet and spicy is what makes the marinade so irresistible, enhancing the natural taste of the chicken while adding a delightful kick. Once blended, your marinade is ready to coat those drumsticks for an unforgettable meal. Now that we have our hot honey marinade ready, it's time to properly marinate the chicken drumsticks. The marinating time is crucial for flavor absorption. Allowing the chicken to soak in the marinade helps infuse it with those delicious sweet and spicy notes. Ideally, you should marinate the drumsticks for at least 30 minutes, but for optimal flavor development, aim for a few hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. Once you've placed the drumsticks in the zip-top bag with the marinade, it's a good idea to flip the bag occasionally. This ensures that every piece of chicken is evenly coated, maximizing the flavor in each bite. Remember, patience is key here. The longer the chicken sits in the marinade, the more intense the flavors will become. So, resist the urge to rush this step. By allowing the drumsticks to marinate properly, you'll set the stage for a truly mouth-watering dish that will impress everyone at the table. Now that our chicken drumsticks have marinated beautifully, it's time to move on to the roasting process. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the ideal temperature for achieving crispy skin while keeping the meat juicy. Arrange the marinated drumsticks on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup. Once your hot honey drumsticks are perfectly roasted, it's time to elevate the dish further by making a delicious sauce from the drippings in the roasting pan. Start by transferring the drippings to a small saucepan and place it over medium heat. The reduction process is key here. Allow the drippings to simmer gently, which will thicken the sauce and concentrate the flavors. As it reduces, keep an eye on the consistency, adjusting the thickness based on your personal preference. If you prefer a thicker sauce, let it simmer longer. For a lighter sauce, you can remove it from the heat sooner. This is also a great opportunity to get creative. Consider adding a splash of additional honey, a dash of hot sauce, or even a sprinkle of fresh herbs to enhance the flavor profile. Once your sauce reaches the desired consistency, drizzle it generously over the roasted drumsticks before serving. This final touch will add an extra layer of flavor and make your dish truly irresistible. When it comes to serving your hot honey drumsticks, there are plenty of creative ideas to enhance both flavor and presentation. One simple yet effective way to elevate your dish is by garnishing the drumsticks with fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or cilantro. This not only adds a pop of color but also brings an extra layer of flavor that complements the sweetness and spice of the chicken. For pairing options, consider serving the drumsticks alongside classic sides like creamy potato salad, coleslaw, or grilled vegetables, which balance the richness of the dish. These sides can create a well-rounded meal that's perfect for gatherings or family dinners. Additionally, don't forget that hot honey drumsticks make for fantastic finger food. Encourage your guests to dig in with their hands, making the dining experience fun and interactive. Whether you're hosting a casual get-together or a festive celebration, these drumsticks are sure to be a hit, bringing joy and deliciousness to the table. To wrap up our delicious journey into making hot honey drumsticks, let's recap the key steps and their enticing flavor profile. We started by preparing a flavorful marinade with honey and various peppers, allowing the chicken to soak up those sweet and spicy notes. After marinating, we roasted the drumsticks to perfection, ensuring they were juicy and crispy. Finally, we created a rich sauce from the pan drippings to elevate the dish even further. The combination of sweet honey and spicy heat makes these drumsticks a standout meal that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who love cooking. Your support helps us bring more delicious content to you. Don't forget to explore our channel for more exciting recipes and cooking tips that will inspire your culinary adventures. We can't wait to see you in the next video where more tasty creations await.